Good morning. Happy Thursday. So, I wanted to have a talk with you guys. I've given you guys all kinds of examples of photography. I've had you do a slideshow where you looked and researched other people's photography. Then you created your own slideshow of photography. We talked about what symbolism is. We talked about how you need to take the time to stage things to make strong photographs. You can combine things. And some of you have dabbled with this and you have had some strengths and some of you have not. And so I gave you guys extra time Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to get your slides done to get the full point. Sorry, when I talk, it's so hard to breathe in. So I just hold it like this. That's better. I have asthma and I'm struggling to talk. I got a face shield on and the mask. So, anyways, um, we are going to go through that. I'm going to grade that with people. But in the meantime, I'm going to have you guys working on a project. We need to start getting projects done. There's a big art show in January. We only have 3 weeks in November and then 2 weeks in December. So that's 5 weeks before January. And so I want us to start art making already. And I have thought about this, and I know that when you guys are taking your photographs, it's challenging. You know, everybody's wearing masks. You're limited to where you can go for safety precautions. And so maybe, that's been a big issue for you. I don't mind you doing art pieces and using images off the internet as long as you change it by 80%. So if you do find a photograph that goes with your theme, maybe you zoom in on an aspect, maybe you collage different images as references to draw from. And so you could gather that information. What I want you to do today is I want you to review the scavenger hunt slideshow. It's right here. You can click on it, and there's the link right here. And begin planning and working on your recycled art project based on your topic. Okay. So you're going to make an art project. I'm going to give you a week. It will be due next Thursday. And then we're going to put that all on another slideshow, and you guys are going to critique each other. And then you'll only have the weekend to revise it Friday and the weekend to revise it. And then it's going to get a real grade on Monday. Okay. A before and an after. Now, remember, judges, they want to see revisions and changes. And so that's why I have you guys do a before that you submit, and then you get feedback from your peers, and then you can do more revisions. And so we have a before and an after of every single art piece that you're going to be doing so that we have proof that it's evolved and changed over time. So based on the research that you're going to do today, which you guys have already done research and had like 15 on an image to talk to me about, you're going to draw 3 thumbnail sketches today and submit that as your proof of practice. So I will create the proof of practice, and you're going to do 3 thumbnail sketches. Look at this slideshow. Here's a beautiful example of what you could do with recycled art. I have cardboard, I have cereal boxes, I have tins from cat lids, from canned food, and I've gathered all kinds of weird trash that I can create art with. You can do the same. So, we're looking at this slideshow. I'm gonna put it in present mode, and I'm just gonna go through it really quick because I feel like you guys aren't gonna do it. And you can use scraps of different colored materials. You can glue things together. You can cut. You can sew things together and make something interesting using recycled materials. Okay. Tomorrow, I'll have an introduction on how to watercolor, and you can even look at that on the agenda for tomorrow. Here's cardboard. It could be very abstract, found objects. Have fun with it as long as it's symbolic and it goes with your theme and it helps tell a story. So do some sketches, 3 of them, and you're going to submit that as your proof of practice of ideas for what you want to do for your project, and you have 1 week. Any questions on this? This is for my 3D people. All right, so that's what you're doing right now. Remember, you can use things off the internet, but you must change it by 80% to make it original. We are not plagiarizing.